Alright, welcome back guys. So in today's video, I want to show us how we can turn our personal Facebook profile into a Facebook page. And why would you want to do that? Why would you want to do something like that? This is because it's only when you turn on that professional mode, that is when you'll be able to see Facebook monetization tools. And these Facebook monetization tools will enable you to know the exact steps and the things you ought to be doing on a daily basis for you to get monetized on Facebook. So if you want to learn something related to what I just talked about, I want you to stick to the end of this video so that you learn something new for yourself. In my previous video, I talked about five criteria that you need to meet for you to be monetized on Facebook. If you have not seen that video, I want you to, navigate through the comment section and you see the link to watch that video so that you learn what you need to do for you to get monetized on Facebook. So when I talked about that, the number one thing I said is that you need to turn on the professional mode for your Facebook handle, your Facebook profile to switch into a page. And to do that, I'm going to show you practically. So let's dive right into my laptop now. Let me show you. All right, guys. All right. So once you are logged into your Facebook handle, this is what you do. Just scroll down. This is my name. This is my profile. This is one of my Facebook handles. So you are going to see it like this. You now come down. You see where they wrote posts, about, friends, photos, video, check-ins, more. So you are going to like scroll to this side. You see where you see that this three dotted line. Even if it's your phone you are using, if it's your phone, you are going to still see this three dotted line like this. When you see this three dotted line, click on it. When you click on it, you see view as, you see search, you see profile status, you see archive, just like that. Scroll down, you are going to see where they wrote you see log profile, you see profile and tagging settings. The last one here that they wrote turn on professional mode, this last one here, just click on it. Once you click on it, everything that used to show on a page will start showing you on your own, and your own will start looking like a page. That's it.